Hey, everybody. It's Morgan and Ruth. I'm out of surgery and my legs are coming back, which is lovely. I can't feel them at all right now. Well, now I can. But I couldn't because I was a weenie and I got an epidural. Ruth didn't get an epidural when she had two children. I get a stinking hip replacement. I have to do it.
Children are supposed to have.
But yeah, things are going good. I'm having chips and water and things like that. And I'm gonna get out of here pretty soon. I can't believe that this is all like happening so fast. Ruth didn't even get to go for a real walk with the dog. Yeah, thanks guys for all the well wishes. I really appreciate it on Facebook and on the Highland Cycles page. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. I will be back at it, holding it wide open very, very soon.